Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Eric and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to see each time I upload a new video. So today's video, we're going to be doing different variations of hairstyles for illusion crochet pattern. Whether you have faux locks, the twists, or like curls, anything like that, you can get away with doing different styles. So if you want to see how I do my different styles, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so for the first style, we are just going to be doing a simple middle part. Something really easy to start out with. My part is a bit wide, but that's because it's just the way I install these locks. But yeah, this is super easy and very cute. So for the second style, we're doing a side part, and this is literally how I've been wearing my hair majority of the time. I love the way styling this hair to the side looks on me. With my natural hair, I don't really care for a side part. I'm a middle part girl, but with anything like protective style like this, I love a good side part. So all I'm doing here is adding a headband. It doesn't match with the outfit, but I'm just giving you guys an idea. You can definitely add headbands to this style, and I wish I did have a headband to go with this outfit or any other outfit, but I don't. But yeah, it's really cute. So all I'm doing for this style, we're gonna do a low ponytail, and I'm just taking some of the faux lock, a piece of the hair, and I'm just going to be tying that just to make it look a little, you know, cohesive and nice. I didn't want to put like a black long thing around there, so I just decided to use the hair, and it looks so cute. And you can wear your hair like this to work, and it works. Definitely, it stays all day. This style is also easy. I'm just taking a piece on each side, and we're going to tie it in the back of our head. I have also worn this to work. It just keeps the hair out of my face, and it is such a cute hairstyle. It's very much a go-to hairstyle. So this next style is one of my favorite styles. Well, I like the bun version, but I'm just showing you guys that you can do a half up, half down. With this installation, you can definitely wear your hair out into the back like I got here, or you can put your ponytail to the side, or you can just do a nice little bun like I'm showing you guys. The bun has to be my favorite. It just gives like a different look, and that's just like my go-to anyway. Alright, you guys, so this concludes this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was interesting. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know. But as always, I will see you guys in my next video.